Hello everyone. Welcome to our special learning adventure today. Are you ready to learn about some adorable animals and their cute babies? Let's get started. Our first animal is the dog. A dog's baby is called a puppy. Puppies are very playful and love to wag their tails. Next, we have the cat. A baby cat is called a kitten. Kittens are fluffy and they meow a lot. Now, let's talk about rabbits. A baby rabbit is called a bunny. Bunnies have soft fur and they hop around. Did you know? A baby cow is called a calf, and they love to drink milk from their mothers. Baby cows are also very curious. Here's another fun fact. A baby horse is called a foal. Foals can stand and walk shortly after they are born. Well done, everyone! Today, we learned about different pet animals and their adorable babies. Remember, dogs have puppies, cats have kittens, and rabbits have bunnies.
Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to our channel for more awesome adventures, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a thing. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye bye.